Hey everyone, welcome back to Limitless Living. Today, we're diving into 5 essential life skills every man should know. These skills will elevate your personal and professional life. So let's get started. 1. Effective communication. First up, effective communication. Clear and concise communication is crucial in every aspect of life. Practice active listening. Understand others better and express your thoughts and emotions confidently. Strong communication skills build better relationships and open up more opportunities. 2. Basic cooking skills. Next, let's talk about basic cooking skills. Every man should know how to whip up a few simple recipes. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. Plus, it's a great way to impress friends and family. Start with easy dishes and gradually expand your culinary repertoire. 3. Financial management. Moving on to financial management. Learn to budget and track your expenses. Understanding the basics of investing and saving is key to building financial security. Avoid unnecessary debt and focus on creating a financial cushion. This will give you peace of mind and greater control over your future. 4. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is another essential skill. Set clear goals and work consistently towards them. Develop routines that boost your productivity. Practicing self-control helps you make better decisions and achieve long-term success. Remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. 5. Emotional intelligence. Finally, let's discuss emotional intelligence. Recognize and manage your emotions effectively. Empathize with others to build strong relationships. Handling stress and conflicts calmly and constructively is vital. High emotional intelligence leads to better mental health and improved interpersonal connections. And there you have it. 5 essential life skills every man should know. Start incorporating these into your daily routine and watch your life transform. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a limitless life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.